Oh shit.
This is Jelani.
If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
Hi, I see you're hanging out. I really like your style. Let's grab a drink. Doesn't look like you're dressed for the part though. I just feel alive. My name is Jelani Williams. I'm 29. Pretty much I'm in IT. More often than not, what comes into my head is, it's not gonna work out. I'm gonna say this, but it's not gonna work. She's not going to be interested, or they're not gonna be interested. I am nervous, like, hey, you know, I don't know what to expect. But at the same time, I'm like, let me do the best I can. I'm not looking for perfection. What I'm looking forward to is just being myself, being authentic, and just, let's see where the chips fall. Excuse me. Hi, I know you're walking this way.
Sorry, what?
Hi, excuse me. Yeah, I saw you from back there, and I just had to come over and say hello.
Hi.
I was walking with my friend. I've never actually been in this area, but
Oh, okay.
what's that? You got the afternoon coffee?
Yeah, I'm meeting up with one of my friends.
Oh, cool. What you guys gonna get into?
I'm not sure.
Just see where the day goes?
Yeah.
That's cool, you know, Sunday afternoon.
I have to cut over soon.
Say again?
I have to cut over soon.
Oh, I see.
Go into the West Village.
I don't want to walk with you. Is it okay if we stop for like 1 second?
I have a boyfriend.
Oh, I see. All right, no problem. All right, you have a good day then.
Great day.
You too. I honestly felt like I was in script mode because I'm like, hey, excuse me, I saw you from like, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Versus just being natural.
Okay.
Excuse me. Hi, I know you're listening to music. I just thought you were cute and I had to come over and say hello.
That's really sweet.
Seem like a gym girl.
Oh,
Do you mind if we like move over? Because it's like, end up getting tackled.
I know, yeah, you can get her out here.
Yeah.
Well, thank you, that's really nice.
Yeah, I definitely wanted to come over. You just seem like a chill girl.
That's really nice. I have a boyfriend.
Oh, really?
So
How
that's
long?
really sweet. Like a couple years.
Oh, cool. So it's serious.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. How'd you guys meet?
In college.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I know a lot of people like, oh, yeah, I met my significant other in college.
Yeah.
It's like the #1 place to go.
For sure, for sure. But thank you, that's so sweet.
Yeah, no problem.
Have a good day, okay?
You as well. Thank you. Yeah, I felt less pressure. I mean, yeah, I'm like scrambling for what to say, but
If I were to give you one feedback, is you were like, oh, I'm sorry, like you're listening to music.
oh yeah.
You know, don't apologize. Like nothing has happened yet, and you're
Yeah.
apologizing. You know, it's
Okay.
like,
Yeah, just stop projecting. Like, oh yeah, I'm sorry.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, it's something I gotta work on, but yeah, we'll keep going. Excuse me. Hi, ladies. Hi, I see you're hanging out. I just thought you were really cute and I had to come over and say hello. I see you like just lounging around.
Definitely lounging.
I feel like you had like a long week. You're just like, oh, let me just.
That's precisely.
That is precisely what's happening.
Yeah.
Really? You two like gym girls?
What's that?
You two like gym girls, like working out?
This one is. This one is.
Oh, so that's why she's like down for the count.
Yes.
Okay. So I feel like you guys like met, I would say, like an art class.
No.
Or some
to
type
school
of class.
together.
Oh, I see. What you guys study?
Well,
See you
thank
guys.
you for the compliments. Appreciate it.
Definitely. So what are you guys' names, by the way? But yeah, I don't want to, you know, take up too much of your time. So nice seeing you guys.
Yeah,
Nice to see you
Are
too.
you two on Instagram or what's
What?
Instagram?
Yeah. Never really use it, but.
No, not your thing?
Wait, I'm on
I see. Oh, all right, I'm gonna get going. So nice talking to you too.
Yeah, nice to talk to you.
All right, see it.
You kept like making like guesses. Oh, I guess you're this. Oh, I guess you're that. Oh, it sounds a bit gimmicky. At the end, you were like, oh, do you girls have Instagram? If you're not expressing the intention of meeting one of the girls again, don't ask for Instagram. Like, what are you? Are you like just a professional Instagram follower? Like you just, you know what I mean? Like this makes no sense. You
Oh.
want to go back?
To just,
Just ask her a number. You just walk back. You say, hey, let's get a drink or.
fuck it, let's do it.
Want to do it?
Fuck it. Hi, excuse me.
Hello.
Hi, listen, I think you're cute. Let's exchange numbers.
I have a boyfriend actually.
I see. Okay, not a big deal.
I'm sorry.
I'm like, you know what? I thought about it, but whatever. It's all good.
No,
All right, that's all good. Don't apologize. All right, have a good weekend.
Nice to meet you.
See ya.
So, you know, at least you reach for what you want. Eventually, if you keep reaching for what you want, eventually everything else will take care of itself.
Right.
But here, you know, you ask her, let's exchange numbers. You know, that's not why you went there. You went there because you want to see her again. You're not
Okay, that
collectioning
wasn't
phone
direct.
numbers.
Right.
Okay?
Excuse me. Oh. Hi.
Hi.
I really like your style.
Oh, I appreciate
It's like a
it.
hip hop kind of cool like
you.
look. I do reggaeton, so it's like it just looks like a really nice style, I guess the best word.
Thank
How are
you.
you today?
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
Yeah, definitely. What are you up to?
I'm actually heading to go get a tattoo.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What you gonna get?
I have an appointment, so I do have to
Oh,
go.
I see.
But yeah.
Okay. Your name, by the way?
Yeah.
Okay. Jelani.
Jelani,
Oh, you
nice
got
to
the
meet you.
matching, the orange.
I like orange. Yeah.
You got all these tattoos.
Yeah.
Seem like a fun girl then.
I appreciate it. Yeah, but I have a 2:00 appointment.
Oh, I
so-
see. Yeah, I know you have to get there.
Yeah.
Do you dance, by the way?
Yeah.
So, yeah, I know you said you had to leave. Let me get your number. You just look really cute.
Sure. You take my number.
Sure. Your name one more time.
Heather.
Heather. Okay.
Do you like to dance?
Oh yeah. It's funny because I've been doing bachata for like 4 years.
I don't even know what that is.
So it's a Latin dance,
Okay.
basically. So it's fun though. I love it. It helps out with coordination, like a lot of like hands.
Do you live around here?
I live in the Bronx.
Okay, cool. What are you doing over here?
So pretty much I'm exploring the city.
Okay.
Well, I turn 30 next month. So it's
Okay.
like I'm usually on the east side.
Right.
So why not just explore? And usually Sundays I go to like the park. Like I just came from the the strip where the water is.
Right.
Just to
Yeah,
relax
on
and
the
just
Hudson.
yeah. Just to relax, meditate,
Nice.
it's been such a long week.
Yeah. I've been down here. I've been in New York for 12 years now, so.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where are you from then?
Originally, I have to go because I
Oh,
have
yeah,
like
yeah, I know you
20
have to
minutes to
leave.
get there, but it's super nice
Yeah.
meeting you. Enjoy the West Village.
Cool, thank you. All right,
Bye.
enjoy your appointment.
Nice, bro.
Yeah, that definitely felt. Yeah, I'm remembering your advice. Like, just go straight. Don't beat around the bush. Don't make excuses. Oh, I'm
Is it
sorry.
the first time you get a number like this, or have you done this before?
I've done it before. It's just that
When's the last time you get a number like that?
Oh damn. Probably last year, I
Do you
guess.
think that much? It's
Yeah,
a long
'cause-
time ago.
Yeah, cause like.
See if I can show some feedback.
Sure.
Two things. I almost want to say like you talk too much. Like, the girl is like I have a meeting. Okay, no worries. Let's get a drink. You're like, oh, do you like dancing? Oh, do you like this? Oh, are you this? Oh, are you that? It's like she told you like 3 times. Like she has to leave. Like it's not against you. You know?
Okay.
So just like don't
Yeah.
like I feel like you also that with the other girls like don't try hard to make the conversation longer.
Yeah,
if you feel that
that's-
it's better to have a graceful 2-minute interaction than to have a painful 15-minute interaction. You know what I mean?
Right.
And whatever. And the side note, when she's like, "What are you doing?" You can just say, "Oh, I'm meeting a friend." Like you were like, "Oh, like I'm you kind of went into like a, oh, I'm 30. I don't know the way."
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh damn.
It's like, oh my
Giving a
god,
whole
this guy's
story.
gonna start talking about his life story. What are you doing? You know what I mean? Just, oh, I'm about to meet a friend.
one-person
Okay.
friend.
End of the story. Like you were like, oh,
Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
30. Like, who gives a fuck?
Okay. Yeah. Oh shit. I didn't even realize
Okay. And yeah. But besides that, boom, first number of the day.
that. Okay.
So now we're gonna reward ourselves with a tea.
Excuse me. Oh shit. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to make you jump. I just thought you were cute.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, I wanted to say hello.
Oh, hello.
How are you?
I'm good.
I see you're like looking at the fountain.
Yeah, I'm waiting for someone.
I see. You're gonna like hang out?
Yeah, we're gonna hang out and like go around and stuff.
Really? I like your voice. Like it's like what do you call it? Projecting?
Probably because I have headphones
Oh, I see. Yeah, cool. Yeah, so
in. Are you from the city?
yeah, I'm from the Bronx.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You?
No, I'm from Queens.
Okay.
Yeah.
Not a far trek then.
No, it's like right up the street.
Okay. What do you do for fun? I feel like you like dance.
Yeah, I like to dance.
Okay. Something like this or just
No, I like house music.
interesting. I had a friend that I never heard of it until he like told me about it. I do reggaeton, but it looks
Yeah,
looks
I
like
like
Latin.
reggaeton too. I'm sure Daddy is.
Like-
So it's
oh,
like
really?
my
Okay.
my favorite thing. That's my second favorite genre besides Under House.
Okay. It's not bad. I don't think I got your name, by the way. Is that the meeting?
It means beautiful.
What language?
Swahili.
Really? Jelani.
Jelani.
It's a Swahili name.
Yeah.
Wow.
I know a lot of Jelanis. I'm sure Dad.
I think I've met like about 3.
That's a common name there. I don't know why. Anyway, I'm just gonna like sit here and wait for my friend. It was
see.
nice meeting you.
Oh, definitely. Let's grab a drink at another time.
Okay, another time.
What's your number?
I'll give it to you.
Sure. What do you like to eat?
I'm a big sushi person. Trying to think what else. Korean barbecue.
Those are good choices.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to, you know, K-Town? It's like 34th
Yeah,
Street?
yeah. I love that place. I was actually there last night.
Oh, really? I'm gonna head out, so nice
All right,
meeting
nice
you.
meeting you.
That's it. It definitely felt a lot better. You might say something different. I felt like towards the beginning it was like a little gamey, I feel like. But after a while it felt a little bit more natural because I had something to relate with her with.
What do you mean?
Like the dancing part.
I would say that's a very low level of relating. It's a very shallow level of relating.
Yeah.
You think because someone likes dancing, it means there's tons of people who like dancing that you're not going to click with,
True.
and there's tons of people that you click with that don't like dancing. That's
Right.
so like think about the closest people you have in your life. Like, do they all like the exact same things you like? Like, not at all. Like, it's much more complex than that. You know, like, what do you like to do for fun? Like, this is such a broad question. You know, your conversations feels very safe. It just feels
Yeah,
like
safe.
an unfolding of questions, and you know what I mean. Like, it doesn't make sense.
Yeah,
Like maybe
yeah.
try to be more playful or more. You know, like.
Hey, excuse me, ladies. Hi. I was waiting for my drink, but I saw you. You just look really cute. I wanted to come over and say hello.
That's so nice. Thank you so
What are you two up to?
We're just going to the gym.
Oh, I see. Oh, okay. What are you gonna work on?
Pilates.
Pilates. What does that entail? Is that like
Just
weights?
weights and yeah, it's like full body workout.
Okay, wow. It doesn't look like you're dressed for the part though.
No, we're gonna change. Yeah.
Changing.
But thank you. Thank you so
Oh,
much.
sure. Listen, I know you have to leave. Let's grab a drink. I know you're in a rush, but let's grab a coffee or something later
I'm
on.
sorry, I have a boyfriend.
All good.
Thank you so much.
It's all good. All right, no problem. Enjoy the gym. See ya.
You know, it feels like, you know, like you're asking. I don't know. It feels like you're a journalist asking like them questions about their life. You know, like I don't know. I want you to be more like familiar. You know, I feel like you're too cautious.
Hello, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Very good.
Awesome. You're
Good.
a social animal. Huh?
Aren't we all? You too.
We
You.
are, but you're setting the expectation very high.
Really? I'm setting an expectation?
You are, because
Okay.
if you don't want to talk and someone talks to you, then they're going to think you're an asshole.
It's fun. I want to talk. I'm pretty nice. I'm pretty
You're
nice.
confident. You're confident in that. That's so funny.
What are you up to? You just
Actually,
went on a bike ride or what?
Yeah, I did this like 5-borough bike tour.
Ah,
That's
yeah, I
cool.
saw today.
Yeah.
This morning.
How about you guys? What did you do today?
We walked a lot actually. We were walking around.
Cool.
Yeah.
Are you from here?
No, I grew up in Japan.
Really?
Yeah, I'm kidding. I'm French.
I'd say obviously you're fucking French. French people come out here and start fucking with New Yorkers.
Very good. But I've been living in the US for a while.
Yeah.
Shit.
No, well, French
Yeah,
people can be assholes in France because we need stuff from him. He comes here, we're nice, and then he just is an asshole to us.
You didn't come from the bike ride.
I did not come from the bike ride. Or I did, and then I had a change of clothes.
Nice.
Here.
Cheers. So
Fun
France,
fact.
and how do you two know?
Oh yeah.
Common friend. I mean, I live in the US. I've been living in the US for like 12 years.
Okay, so you live in New York.
It's not like I'm visiting. Yeah, I live in New York. Yeah.
Got it. Yeah. You're picking up on the niceness a little bit. I'm sure in like 3 or 4 years you'll be really nice.
Damn, I thought I was pretty nice, honestly.
Why'd you say he was mean?
Well, actually, the first
Because
thing
he asked me where are you from. I said I'm from Japan. That hurt his feelings a little bit.
Japan, yeah. No, well, he said
Okay,
something else after.
If you're very sensitive,
I'm very
I'll be
sensitive.
nice.
Very sensitive. Yes, no.
Let's see.
Yeah, Yeah, literally
People
anything.
who take their terriers, like their dogs, to hunt rats.
Really?
Yeah.
There's
Good cause.
literally anything.
What? They train their dogs to hunt rats?
Well, terriers
That's
are like
gross.
bred in like their instinct is actually to chase rodents. So it's people who all own these certain types of dogs who go into like bush.
Yeah, but then you
let the
chill with your
dogs-
dog and the dog licks you. And
Yeah,
it
guess-
seems gross.
Yeah, I mean, they're
I
gonna.
think their thinking is the dog feels like almost like, you know, self-actualized because they got to like hunt something.
Wow, that's where we are in society now. We're trying to self-actualize our dogs.
Exactly.
Yeah, we're
Wow.
really projecting our shit.
Wow.
Literally, we can't self-actualize, so we do it to our dogs. Are you from New York?
Yeah, from the Bronx.
Oh shit.
Yeah, not too bad. I usually hang out around here.
Okay.
I never really have the chance, like when I'm working.
But you grew up here.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
We're actually both from like the same. It's just outside DC.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You're like childhood friends, or?
No, we live here. We've both been here like 10 years.
But do you know each?
We're in the same grade in high school.
Oh wow.
We moved here, but we weren't like friends. Like we have mutual friends. We moved here at the same time 10 years ago, separately. But then like 2 years ago, when like beginning of 2021, when everyone's like crawling out of quarantine, we matched on Bumble.
Okay.
But we just hung out as friends.
We should start leaving that part out of the story.
Yeah. You know, like you see somebody
we
you
should
know.
start leaving
Yeah.
that part out of
Somebody
the
you know on a
story.
dating app, you're like, oh, LOL. Like,
It's
hey,
such a
like,
good story, except for the Bumble.
No,
So you
love the
reconnected
I
after
don't
COVID,
like the
basically.
Bumble, but I don't like the Bumble.
I like the Bumble.
Really?
It's okay. It's the truth. Like I mean, you know, you have to you have to change your perspective to like the truth.
Shut the fuck up.
So we were like best friends.
What was your
guys,
name?
we're gonna head out. Ruben.
Ruben.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
Jelani.
Jelani, good to meet you. Are you on Instagram or something?
I'm not
You're
Ruben.
not on Instagram.
Nice to meet you, but we can get you want get my number, whatever. We'll do drinks,
Shoot
dinner.
yourself a text.
Well, great to meet you guys.
Yeah,
Have a great day.
Okay, Jelani. So how was today?
Definitely a lot learned. You know, just I remember towards the beginning it was like really robotic, and then you know slowly but surely after you gave me advice, I felt a lot more liberated. I felt more natural, and yeah, there were some moments where I kind of like flipped back and forth, and it wasn't as natural as it could have been. But
That's normal.
I mean, I can't really expect too much. So, but I would say like as long as I keep doing this more naturally, you know, feel, you know, more genuine, cut the fat. I know I've been saying that all day, and just be real. Honestly, just
Yeah,
being
be real.
authentic.
Any last word?
Honestly, no.